Welcome back to our basic science class. In our previous class, we discussed about photosynthesis, autotrophs, chlorophyll, stomata, etc. Hope you all have studied these. Okay, now let's start our today's topic. We have already seen that photosynthesis takes place in leaves of a plant. Observe the plants around you. On which part of the plant does the sunlight falls more? Yes, you are right. It is on leaves. Different plants have different pattern of arrangement of its leaves. This type of arrangement of leaves on a stem or a branch is called a phyllotaxy. It aims to position the leaves such that they can receive maximum sunlight. While we know that sunlight is necessary for the process of photosynthesis, there are mainly three types of phyllotaxy: opposite phyllotaxy, alternate phyllotaxy, and whorled phyllotaxy. In opposite phyllotaxy, there are two leaves on one node arranged opposite to each other. Dear students, you can see these type of phyllotaxy in Calotropis and guava. Next, in alternate phyllotaxy, only one leaf arises at each node, and the leaf at the next node is in the opposite direction. This type of arrangement of leaves is commonly seen in hibiscus and sunflower plant. Finally, in whorled phyllotaxy, two or more leaves appear at a node forming a whole, as in Alstonia, commonly called Edilam pala. So, my dear students, now you know how each plant gets maximum sunlight, right? Yes, we have already seen that chlorophyll, the green colored pigment seen in the leaves, helps the plant to trap sunlight needed for photosynthesis. Are all leaves green in color? Haven't you seen the red amaranthus? Does photosynthesis takes place in them? Is there chlorophyll in red amaranthus to perform photosynthesis? Let's do one experiment. For this, we need some leaves of red amaranthus and a blotting paper. When you buy name slip, you also get a blotting paper. Now, I am going to rub this red amaranthus leaf on this blotting paper. Let us focus on the color of this paper in a short time. You can see a light green color in it. This shows that chlorophyll is present in red amaranthus too. But it appears in red in color because in the upper surface of the leaf, the red colored pigment are arranged more than green color pigment. So, my dear students, you must write this experiment note in your notebook. To write any experiment note, we must write 5 steps. First step is aim. Here, we want to write our question. Second point, materials required. Here we want to write what are the things we need for this experiment. Third point, procedure. Here you must write the method of this experiment. Fourth point, observation. What we have seen in this experiment is our observation. Fifth and the last point must be inference. Here we must write our findings, that is, the result of our experiment. Dear students, I have already prepared one experiment note for you. Today I will send this with your notes. Copy that in your notebook. Now, my dears, we realized that red amaranthus has chlorophyll. Then, what would be the reason for its red color? Besides chlorophyll, other pigments are also present in plants. Hence, leaves with the pigment xanthophyll appears yellow in color, Those with carotene appear yellowish orange and those with anthocyanin appear red in color. Another question. Are pigments present only in leaves? No, pigments are present in different parts of plants. You have seen so many colorful flowers, fruits and vegetables, right? Example, sunflower, orange, carrot, etc. So, pigments give color to leaves, stems, flowers and fruits. Let us summarize what we have learned today as phyllotaxy, experiment to show red amaranthus contains chlorophyll, different color pigments in plants. So, my dear children, it's all for today. See you in the next class. Bye.